Good evening everyone. This is me Durgesh from Ultimate Spoken English Classes Asta. Today I gonna to tell about English level. That what is your level right now and what problems are you facing right now. You are gaining your knowledge or not, you are enhancing your skills or not, but I think you are longing for English because you know very well that in 21st century only English subject and English language is that change your life forever. English can make your bright future and you can easily talk to people. You can enhance your knowledge. Whatever you want to do in your life, you can do with the help of English because English is essential in our life. And in 21st century, everybody is longing for English. Everybody wants to learn English. Everybody wants to boost their knowledge, and everybody wants to improve their persona. Because whenever you talk to someone, that someone is speaking English, they are getting on the stage and they are explaining and there are things in English and in English language, and you are not be able to understand that you are not a person of words. You didn't think about yourself that one day English will help me. If you help English, then English will help you. Otherwise, you will be spoiled your life. Because only English can change your life, not other subjects. Because from first class till 12th class, we read subject, we study about subject, but we never think about ourselves. Did you ever think that we studied about English? No. How can you say that you are learning English? You have good atmosphere and golden opportunity. So don't miss your opportunity. Take your responsibility. Try to understand. Gradually you will learn English and quickly you will start speaking English. So it's depend on you, it's up to you what's your level today. And after 3 months and 6 months, where will be your level? So guys, it's depend on you. It's up to you. You have to change your time, you have to change your persona, you have to change your skills, you have to change your English level. Because you know basic, elementary, advanced and intermediate, and now Doli English. You don't know about Doli English. So English is going again and again forward. And if you have to do further something different in your life, must learn about English subject, about English language, because English is a global language. And government also is motivating students to learn English. And government is saying that you know if you read, if you learn computer, any skills, so you will need English. So guys, why are you wasting your time here? Don't scroll on phone. Okay, don't scroll on phone, social media, Insta, Facebook, WhatsApp, anything else. You are watching only something bad, maybe like reels, like a funny video, comedy videos, like Kapil Sharma show like this. I don't want to say to watch cricket like this. See yourself what is your level today right now, and coming time where will be your level. Nobody will tell you, nobody will help you. They will ask about your salary, they will ask about your time and your dedication. They will ask the how did you do and why did you do and what are you doing today right now. They will ask to you, but you are thinking about yourself and no, I am person of words, I am punctual of time, I give my time to, I am giving my time on the my persona, on my skills, on my English, so I can do something different in my life. No, you are going the wrong direction. Nobody is helping you, they are pulling you back, and you are not understanding, you are not be able to understand in yourself that what's your level right now, and that you are thinking about yourself. You are keeping your status and keeping a new song, different type of songs. You are thinking that I'm the richest person in the world, God has given me body, God has what we can say made me like this, so I can do whatever I want to do. No, you are incomplete. Okay, you are incomplete. You can go in the paradise. You are thinking about yourself, what did you do and what are you doing. You are not doing. You are, I think you are not aware. You don't know what is awareness. You don't know what is a thought development. You don't know what is a communication skills. You don't know what is a persona. You don't know what is a spiritual thing. You don't know what is your career, what is your level right now. Whom do you are talking to, whom do you talk today, and whom are you talking today? Who helped you in your bad condition when you were in the peaks, in the trouble? You faced lots of problems. and the problem does not come to tell you. They comes ups and downs. We are thinking about ourselves. So bear your things and find out, remove your obstacle. Try to understand this time. This is the right time to learn something different. Don't give time to your friends. Don't give time to any bad activities. Give time to yourself. Learning English, learning skills, because AI is increasing again and again. I am saying to you, you will regret yourself one day that yes, if I would do something different, that I wouldn't be like this here. Because you don't know what will be happen in coming up time, and what is today's happening. You don't know. So guys, improve your quality, improve your persona, and do whatever you want to do, because someone said amazing thing. Those who practice every day, they never fails. Okay, and those who don't practice every day, they always fail. So you are the perfect person. You have the perfect condition things. You can change your persona, you can change your time. So that's all. Thank you very much. This is me, R. Durgesh from Ultimate Spoken English Class. Hasta.